Second is focus on your grammar and vocabulary.
Second thing, you should use filler word like basically, because, but, and like this, etc.
Hello everyone, I am Zaid.
Rehan.
So today we are here to learn that how can we improve our English. For this, we would like to give you some tips so that it help you to learn English. So start.
I am going to talk about some tips and advice. How did I improve English and how should someone improve, and you can also do. Firstly, I talk about some most important things. You should think only English. When you would speak English and helpful for you. And second thing, you should use filler word like basically, because, but, and like this, etc.
Second is focus on your grammar and vocabulary.
You should use. And firstly, second thing is you should choose in good environment so that you can speak English, and who speaks only English there. Second and fourth thing is, if you should do this thing, writing, listening, and watching podcast every day, do this work 100% better to someone, you would speak English. That's why you should care this thing. I have been learning English 1.5 years. I am I changes some I change some days because I speak I speak something, because if you can speak English and you can easily speak, if you would do these things follow. Thank you for listening to me so patiently.
So I would like to give you some tips. First is listen to English music, podcast, TED talks, and audiobooks. You also have to listen to native speakers and after that mimic their pronunciation so that you can improve your pronunciation skill and learn some English basic grammar rules including verb forms, sentence structures, tenses. Third is we have lots of apps for learning English. Like if I talk about Duolingo, so it is the best app because it help you to correct your grammar and vocabulary and make every day write every day your daily routine, your past routine, and find a mistake. So thank you.